Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. At what time of the day do you usually practice? So here's a real fun question. When do I practice? When do I play guitar? During the hours of the day and the night, during the 24-hour period. And the truth is that I'm a very nocturnal person. I usually do most of at least my creative work during the night. It's very rare that I will do it during the day. I will still do a lot of work-related stuff during the day, like send feedback to my students, shoot quick little videos or audio recordings for my coaching students again. I will correct things for my books, for my next books. I will write like the notation for the books, but this is not the creative stuff though. I think that works best for me if I do this late at night. If you're enjoying this show and you want to be notified whenever a new video comes out, make sure you press subscribe right here, okay? And also press the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time we release a new video. And now, let's go back to our regular episode. So, usually it's after midnight, where it's gonna be very silent all around me. There's gonna be no interruptions, no people calling, no things happening that demand my attention. And at that time, I can concentrate on whatever I feel I need to achieve more properly during that specific day. I mean, I say the word day and it feels strange because I'm talking about after midnight the next day. But for the purpose of this video, I will consider the day to be until the time before I go to sleep for the next day. So if I'm writing a new book, if I'm recording, if I'm composing a new song, and that's pretty much it. I will do these things after midnight. I mean, technical practice, like actual technique exercises on the guitar, sometimes I can do them during the day, sometimes during the evening, mostly again during the evening, but again, all the creative work is done quite late, like if not after midnight, definitely after 10 o'clock in the evening. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Until then, keep sending me your questions and I'll make sure to answer them in a future video. Bye bye.